Who did know say oxtail could a curry? It's the first time I'm cooking curry oxtail. Wagwan, wagwan. Welcome back to another episode of Friends Cook Up. Today we have something for you guys. Curry oxtail. This is how we prepare it. Right now I'm gonna wash the oxtail. I already cut off the fat and everything. So all it need to do right now is just wash. Right, so let's put some water in there. See, I have my lime here. Yeah, I have to wash it with the lime and vinegar. Alright. Now I'm gonna add my vinegar. Alright. Okay, so these are the seasons that I'm gonna use on the oxtail. So now I have a seasoned salt here, pimento seed, all-purpose, black pepper, some garlic powder, and a little bit of oxtail seasoning. All right, and then can't forget curry. With the curry, I'm just gonna put just a bit of curry inside of it, because I'm gonna burn my curry. Yeah, because I'm gonna season it and let it sit for like probably a half an hour. Usually I do this, season it from overnight and let it all the seasoning marinate in the meat. But now I'm just gonna season it up and just let it go and sit for half an hour while I'm gonna burn my curry and get everything ready. Okay, so see, I just only add powder season to this for now. And make sure you wear your gloves, guys, because curry stain always strong. Once you get on your finger or once you get in your hand, it's gonna take a while before you can wash out. You're gonna make sure it's all meat well seasoned. Look at this, guys, curry oxtail. And if you look at the oxtail, it don't have much curry on it because I'm gonna burn the curry. So that's why it kind of look like this. So all the other powder seasons on it, we're gonna let it sit for like half an hour, let it go and marinate, and then get ready to cook it. Okay, so I'm gonna have my pot here. It's hot. So now I'm gonna add some oil to burn my curry. Yeah, that should be good. Alright, so now I'm gonna add the curry to the pot. Yeah, see that, guys? Yeah. See, make sure it's hot there. Yeah. Alright, so now I'm gonna add all the oxtail. Alright, so I'm gonna let that sit here for a bit. It's gonna get brown. Come back to it just now. Alright, so now I'm gonna add my water. Right, look at it, guys. Yeah. Add some water to it, cover it back up and let it go and cook now. Alright, so let's check out the pot, see how it is. Ah, look at that, guys. Look at that. Oxtail look like a curry goat, eh? Okay, so now look at that. Okay, so now I have some garlic. I'm gonna add to it. I'm just gonna crush it. Yeah, man. Just like that, you know. Yeah, just like that. So that. Just a bit for now, you know. And then now I have a piece of ginger. I'm gonna add to it. But the ginger, I'm gonna crush it up. I'm not gonna really put it in there whole like that. Okay, so I have some ginger here. I'm gonna crush up to put into the curry oxtail. See? Yeah, just like that. See how that is? When you crush it up like this, bring out the flavor more. Okay. And then now you're gonna stir it up. Yeah, man, curry oxtail. And guys, please, if you haven't subscribed, please go and subscribe. You know what I mean? And just like up the video and please watch the video. Yeah, man, subscribe and subscribe. All right, thanks. So all of these vegetables that I have here is already washed. So I'm gonna get ready to put it in the pot now. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my vegetables. Yeah, man. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the oxtail. Curry oxtail. This looks so good, guys. Yeah, man, this looks so good. Curry oxtail. Okay, so now we'll come to the finished part. Yeah, man. Finished cook, guys. Look at this. Yeah, man. Nice, you know. Look at this. Finished cook. Curry oxtail. Look at that. Meat just a fall off the bone. Well cooked. Nice. First time cooking it. Nice. Time to serve it out now. Alright, so now we come to the end of the video and I hope you guys enjoy. So now this is the finished dish. Alright, so as you can see what we have here, curry oxtail. Yeah, so with some chocho, some sweet pepper, and some thyme, scallion, and then onion, garlic, all seasoned down with the other powder season for the curry oxtail, alongside some tomato, sliced tomato, and some coconut white rice on the side. Yes, so this is my curry oxtail. Yeah, cooked down nice, smell good. Yeah, and we say we are bring yard abroad. So please go and subscribe to the channel. And if you guys like what you see, please just tell a friend, and just make sure you like up the video. And if you have any comment, just leave it below. And see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bless.